we got
Mike Hughes here, and I'm over at Frog Spit. And Dave, you're going to show us a little demonstration about what we have here?
Yeah, absolutely. This is Frog Spit Anti-Fog. It's specifically designed to apply and let dry. It comes in 2-ounce bottles, which is the most popular with the divers.
And TSA.
Yeah, plus we also have a pre-moistened wipe that's really popular, and this is great on larger areas. To give you an example, this half of this shield has Frog Spit on it. You can see it's crystal clear, it dries crystal clear. You can't see that it's on there. When we hit it with a fogger, you'll see this side fogs up. Nothing happens on that side.
Okay.
This will last for multiple dives until you wash it off. It's biodegradable, water soluble. Water will wash it off.
Yeah, you can really tell the difference.
Yeah, you can. You know, again, you know, this side, other than that little spot where we hit it by accident, but this side has Frog Spit on it. You know, so it works
Just
great.
to make that clear, the clear side has the Frog Spit.
Absolutely, that's what you want. Anti-fog.
Okay, that's so
Keeps
cool.
it, yeah. All right.
Okay.
Cool. Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you bet.
Oh, wait, before I stop, address, or just go to their local dive shop?
You can go to the local dive shop or go to frogspit.com. It has a list of all of our divers nearest you, and if there isn't one nearby, you can buy it online also.
Perfect.
All right.
Online would be at
Frogspit.com. Real easy.
That's what I wanted.
All right.